recent research on e-commerce trends, a few dominating factors stood out as facilitating online purchase decisions brought about by brand trust. Brand trust means how much confidence customers have in your products, services, or business as a whole. It reflects on your brand and whether it delivers consistently and stays loyal to its values. The way customers feel about your business is essential. It plays a significant role in building your reputation and your bottom lines.
Let's learn from buyers' decision factors to better craft how we reach these potential buyers online. This way, you make sure you're spending time building what matters the most to clients and customers.
We'll start with your website. A simple user experience on a fast website was a top factor for purchase decisions. Is it easy for them to find what they're looking for? Is the checkout experience straightforward? Does a website load quickly?
Great questions, and not just on your desktop, right? More and more customers are purchasing from their mobile phones. Guilty. Mobile devices account for 71% of retail traffic, so it's important that mobile experience is just as user-friendly.
More and more clients and customers are purchasing on social media platforms. 2/3 of Facebook users visit a business page at least once a week on the platform. While over on YouTube, over 90% of users discover new brands or products for the first time on their platform. According to a survey released by SEMrush in 2022, 38% of traffic to online retailers come from organic search.
Those are some very powerful stats. I gotta be honest, I did not know all of those. So ask yourself, how do our viewers take advantage of that to reach buyers?
Well, optimize your online store to show up in search engine results and social media results, so SEO and SMO. You can do this through relevant keywords like product listing titles and descriptions.
Yeah, identifying relevant keywords is key. Hey. Then optimizing your website and social media profiles for search based on the most relevant keywords to your brand.
I thought I was doing the dad jokes here. But beyond product pages, you can also create SEO optimized landing pages that answer common questions and optimize your blog posts.
Another factor is email marketing. Email is a great way to build connections with your customers, and it's an essential channel to continue the conversation with incoming website visitors who decide not to buy right away.
Right. And according to a survey by Litmus, retail, consumer goods, and e-commerce companies see $36 in return for every $1 spent on email marketing.
That's impressive. Another overwhelming factor for what convinces buyer behavior is reviews. That is a huge factor for me when making a purchasing decision. And reviews build trust for your store and your products. Online buyers can't see or experience items in person, so social proof is crucial to purchasing decisions. And store visitors learn about customer experience through product reviews to decide whether they should buy your product.
Yeah, it's true. And according to research published by Marketing Charts in 2020, 93% of consumers trust their friends and family for product recommendations, making it the #1 most trusted source to learn about brands.
Yeah, I trust you.
I mostly trust you.
That's why I got this shirt. Referral programs can really help with all of that and be a powerful acquisition channel to support your business long term.
And when editing your website and online presence like social media profiles to attract more buyers, consider all of these factors. We'll continue the discussion in our upcoming lessons as we review ways that you can leverage them to increase your brand trust and social proof.